Thank you for joining us. I'm Stephanie Barugian.
And I'm Megan Roop. And for Alexon Balakian, if you saw that fire tonight, don't worry, it was set on purpose. CAL FIRE crews lighting off prescribed burns near the Course Gold area along Highway 41. Crews starting near Road 200 down to Highway 145, continuing through Thursday from Highway 145 all the way to the Madera Canal. The burns meant to stop a fire, save money, and hopefully make this fire season less catastrophic.
As cars zoom by below, fire rages on the east side of Highway 41 at Road 406 south of Course Gold. CAL FIRE crews, tools in hand, turning an 11-mile stretch along the golden hillsides bright red with flame, 104 acres.
We produce a controlled environment with the fire. We're capable of suppressing it at any time if something changes, like weather or smoke direction into traffic.
Officials say they see more than a dozen fires along the 41 each year. Controlled burns used to be done in the past. Now the area is left susceptible sometimes to human error.
So for people that are dragging chains, hooking their trailers up wrong, catalytic converters, and other ways of vehicles starting fires along the highway.
Like 2018's deadly car fire, which left 7 dead, becoming one of the worst wildfires the state's ever had in the worst fire season in state history.
More about evacuation.
But April, Governor Gavin Newsom pushing for 35 fuel management projects to help protect those living in areas vulnerable to wildfire. Among them, the vegetation along Highway 41.
We're working with Caltrans, CHP, the Pacific Northwest.
Tuesday, a multi-agency effort.
It protects the communities of O'Neill's, Hidden Lakes, and also the rangeland that's important to these local ranchers. Also alleviates the burden to taxpayers, the high cost of fire suppression, and the shutdown of the highway.
Do have signage in the area, but they want to remind those driving through the next few evenings to take it slow and use caution.
And of course,